Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside while Christmas is coming. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly, because this is going to be a massive Bitcoin trap. History is exactly telling us what is going to be happening next, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly, about a short-term Bitcoin price action, about the most important level of support, the Bitcoin liquidity, and is the Bitcoin cycle top possibly in right now. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, after Bitcoin has been getting rejected by this important level of resistance, well, we have of course been having the Fed meeting, the interest rate probabilities have massively shifted, and this has been having a massive downturn on the market. Now, I've been explaining already many times that I think this is actually going to be a very bullish thing for the markets, and many people are getting this wrong. But however, yeah, still people have been panicking. We have been getting this correction. We have been getting this rejection back in towards a major level of support. I think this level over here is going to be the most important level for Bitcoin to be watching. We have already been falling down below this level of support over here. We've been perfectly retesting it. That's previous support turning in towards resistance, and after this rejection over here, I've been telling you right now in that imminent short term, we are looking rather a little bit more bearish. Yes, I'm going to be expecting a bounce anytime soon. I do think a bounce is going to be inevitable anytime soon around the corner. Need to be talking about that exactly a little bit later, but this, you cannot deny the fact that this is looking rather a little bit more bearish for that short term. We have been falling down below this level of support over here, and yesterday I've been telling you, if Bitcoin is going to be falling down below this level of support over here, I'm going to be having a look in towards this level next. And Bitcoin is already starting to touch this level over here. We have already been seeing a slight little bounce from off this level, but I do think it's going to be very likely we are just going to be dipping our toes a little bit deeper, and we're going to be testing this level of support a little bit lower. Why? Because in that imminent short term, we are right now creating this descending triangle. This is a typical bearish biased pattern. So yes, it is going to be likely that Bitcoin is just going to be getting another dump towards the downside and is just going to be headed a little bit lower, unless we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance. If we're going to be breaking this downtrend over here, then I definitely do think we can be seeing a much bigger bounce, and then I think that that next rally towards the upside is going to be getting started. Now, talking about the next rally towards the upside, well, of course, Christmas is around the corner, and historically speaking, always Christmas has been performing very good for Bitcoin in Bitcoin halving years. Now, the interesting fact and why I'm telling you to not be getting fooled by this Christmas Bitcoin dump, well, we have always, every single cycle, been seeing some profit taking going on before the rally towards the upside. So yeah, maybe this is going to be the big reason why Bitcoin is seeing this sell-off right now. Maybe we're just seeing the Christmas sell-off right now at this current moment, and that is going to be the reason why I'm going to be saying do not get fooled by this Bitcoin Christmas dump, which we are seeing right now. We are just maybe potentially on the verge of a massive parabolic move towards the upside, and right now, before that move, we are seeing a slight little cool off because of a Christmas dump. So yeah, if history were to be repeating, I would definitely not be bearish at this current moment. I would definitely accumulate at these current levels. Yes, we are sitting at a huge and massive level of support right now at this current moment. I'm definitely going to be buying from off the 90k towards the 92.5k level. This is going to be a huge level of accumulation for me. And after Christmas, I'm definitely going to be expecting history to be repeated again, and I'm definitely going to be expecting prices to skyrocket towards the upside. So let's see if history were to be repeated once again. I mean, this price action is looking very good. We just need one big candle, daily candle of strength coming in, just like we did in the last few times. Just one daily candle of strength coming in, and after that daily candle of strength coming in, we've always seen continuation for the Bitcoin price. So let's see whenever we're going to be seeing that daily candle of Bitcoin strength, and whenever that is going to be happening, I think that definitely the Bitcoin bottom is going to be in. So let's see when that's going to be happening. I mean, the Bitcoin momentum towards the upside is still just very and very strong. I would definitely not be bearish at this current moment. I would definitely not bet against this trend over here. The Bitcoin funding rates are still trading extremely low. The markets are not overheated at all. Liquidity has been completely wiped out of the market. Funding is literally flipping negative, even though we are still in a bull market. If this is not a signal to buy now, I don't know what is. This is the most bullish thing that could happen in the market right now at this current moment. So yeah, as long as the Bitcoin funding rates will remain this low, there's no reason to be worried. We are still trading in a bull market, and yeah, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be increasing again, that's going to be the moment where we should be having a look in towards the cycle top, but not yet right now, in my opinion. Now, in that imminent short term, yes, a lot of liquidity has been starting to pile up on the bottom side, so do be a little bit cautious of that. That's also one of the reasons why I've been saying maybe in that imminent short term, we're just going to be seeing the last push towards the downside before this Christmas dump is over, and then after that dump towards the downside, then maybe the Christmas pump is going to be starting. So let's see. I mean, yeah, a lot of liquidity is piling up on the bottom side, but also at the other side, a lot of liquidity is piling up on the top side. So let's see. Definitely a lot of volatility is going to be inevitable right now at this current moment. I mean, the fear and greed index has been completely reset. We are back at the neutral territory, looking very good. This is looking extremely bullish. Once the weekends have been shaken out, we can be headed higher again, and that is exactly happening right now. So guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now, because I'm also opening up a long position right now at this current moment, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses, and you can be trading with no KYC. So everywhere, all around the world, you're going to be eligible to be signing up an account over on Blofin, claim these deposit bonuses, and start trading Bitcoin or altcoins. Now, of course, do keep in mind, do check if it's going to be legal in your country to be trading Bitcoin, but Blofin doesn't have any restrictions. Everyone can register. Now, anyways, talking about the Bitcoin cycle top, because many people are getting scared because of this pattern over here. The Bitcoin 2021 cycle top pattern is pretty much exactly repeating, with this run up towards the upside, with also this rounding top being created, and right now this massive bearish engulfing candle towards the downside. So many people are starting to get scared because of this signal over here. At the same time, yeah, we are creating a massive bearish divergence as well on that weekly time frame. So this is definitely not looking very good. At the same time, touching this massive level of resistance. So guys, definitely, at the first sight, this is not looking very good. Maybe in that imminent short term, we're just going to be seeing a bigger correction and some more consolidation over here. But if we are going to be having a look into the Bitcoin on-chain indicators, they are not going to be suggesting yet that we are hitting close towards that Bitcoin cycle top. So I'm rather going to be still having a look into the Bitcoin on-chain indicators. They've always been predicting the Bitcoin cycle top. And yeah, these Bitcoin short-term technical analysis signals, they might be, yeah, important to have a look into what's in that short term, but maybe we're just going to be seeing something similar, just like last cycle, or we're just going to be seeing a double top over here. Maybe we're just going to be seeing a little bit of a correction over here, but still we're going to be returning towards the upside, still hitting that 120k level, and then after a little bit of a double top over here, then we're going to be seeing that cycle top. So definitely, these are going to be some signals we should be cautious of. We should be taking them in towards account, but I do not think that the cycle is over yet. Now, do keep in mind to always take some profits. If you're going to be in a profit right now, do not be the one holding your bags until the end. Do not be the one holding your bags in towards the bear market. Always make sure to be taking some profits if you are going to be in a massive profit already. I am also already taking some profits. I'm buying real world stuff right now at this current moment. I'm not taking out a lot of money yet because I do not think the cycle top is in just yet, but definitely I am securing some profits already. So yeah, just want you to keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, I do not think that the cycle top is in just yet. Why? Because one of the major reasons is going to be we have not had this altcoin season just yet. We have I actually have many theories why I do not think the cycle top is in yet, but one of the biggest ones is because we have not had any altcoin season yet. I still think it's around the corner. I mean, the timing is repeating exactly once again, so altcoin history is exactly repeating. We are about to be entering an altcoin season right now. I think in the next rally towards the upside, also if we're going to be having a look into what's this screenshot over here, I do not think that the Bitcoin top is in just yet. Many people will make you believe that the top is in, but do not get fooled. Be patient. If we're going to be having a look into what's a screenshot, well, based on time, we are not entering that stage where the Bitcoin top is in just yet. So I'm still going to be more patient. I'm still going to be waiting what's going to be happening next. For that imminent short term, the Bitcoin price is not looking great, but this is definitely going to be a great time to be accumulating more Bitcoin, in my opinion. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, happy holidays, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in another update video.